Hey, I'm Sunshine and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning the oven with vinegar and baking soda. So let's get right into it. This is my stinky, nasty oven in question. That is why we are working on this project today. We aren't using any harsh chemicals, which is awesome. We're just using baking soda and vinegar, and I'm really excited to see how much of this dirt and grime I can get off. Here's a list of all the cleaning supplies you're going to need. I will put them all in the description box below. We're making our paste by putting baking soda into a bowl, add it crazily however you want, and then we're putting in a few tablespoons of water. You're going to mix it up, and you want it to become a paste. That's a little too thin. We want her thicker. Like a paste. Like something thick like that. That's what you want. Take out all your oven rags. Now we're going to take the paste that we made and we're going to slap it all over the entire oven. Let's go. Next time I do this project, I will use a brush instead of a scrubby tool like this because I think it'll smear on the paste better. Now we're going to let that paste set in the oven for about 15 minutes so that way it can take full effect, take off all the grime for us, so we can just go in there, spray the vinegar, and bam, wipe it off. In the meantime, I'm just going to try and clean the racks a little bit. Now that it's been 15 minutes, we're going to spray the entire oven down with vinegar. Mine is blue because it has a little bit of Dawn dish soap in it, which I think is fine. Let's get to spray. Oh, that's beautiful. Here she is in all her dirty glory. I did decide to go in with a scouring pad over the entire oven just to get that extra built up grease off of it. This is terrible. I went in with a wet rag with just water on it, and then I wiped out the entire oven. First dirty water pour. Ew. Now I'm just wiping down the whole oven with a paper towel and water, just to make sure that all of the baking soda and vinegar has been wiped off. She's all clean now. She's not perfect, but she looks so much better than she did before, and I was getting tired, so. And the last of the dirty water. Ew. Thanks for cleaning your oven with me. I hope it came out as nice as mine did. I think she looks pretty darn good. She's not perfect, but that's okay. She looks so much better and she's so much cleaner than she was before. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.